How to use Cloud Code in Android Studio. So as you can see, this is Cloud Code inside Android Studio. And then from here, I'm simply going to send it a chat like, hi Cloud, and then hit enter. Okay. So as you can see from here, Cloud has responded and it's working perfectly fine. So what I did was that I asked Cloud to build me a calculator app with APK without me doing anything, and it did it. Okay. So from my phone, you can see that this is the APK. After installing it, you can see that it is working perfectly fine. Okay. So I'm going to show you how you can also use Cloud Code inside Android Studio using your project. Okay, so what you have to do is to simply first open Android Studio. If you don't have it, I have a full video on my channel showing you how to install it. Okay, and then to bring it right here. Okay, so over here, make sure that you are at project. Okay, come and then make sure that you select project, and then we have two ways of doing this. Okay, so we have an existing project whereby I can go with the open, or you can come and then click on new projects if you don't have any existing project. So I'm going to go with the new project. Okay, then the one that you have to come and select is phone and tablet. So you see that I have all these activities right here. We are going to select the empty views activity. So make sure that you click on it to select it. After that, simply come and then click on the next. Okay, so over here you have the option to come and then create a new empty views activity. So the first thing that you have to do is the name of your activity, and I'm going to name it as calculator. Okay, so you clear what is there already, then you name it as calculator or what you want. Okay, and then the package name, you can come and then change it. Okay, so where we have the com dot over here, come and then change it and then put in your own package name just like this. After that, the save location, you have the option to change it by clicking on the folder and then you select where you want it. So I'm going to leave mine at the desktop. The language, Kotlin. Then the minimum SDK, I'm going to leave it as it is because most people are on that device and then leave everything as it is. And after that, come and click on the finish. Okay. So after clicking on it over here, it is going to import your project for you. So as you can see, it is importing the project. You can come and click on this and then it will show the whole process. Okay, and then after it is done, you can come and then click on the hide and it will hide it. You have the option to come and click on the build so that you see the syncing process. Okay, and everything that is been doing. Okay, so you have to just allow it to finish, and as you can see, we have a whole 100 projects here. The next thing is to come and then open Cloud. So from the terminal, come and then click on it, but make sure that you have Cloud installed. Okay, so as you can see, I have opened the terminal. Make sure that I have Cloud installed, and then from here, simply come and then type in Cloud just like this and hit enter. I have a full video in the video description show you how to install Cloud on your system, so watch it. Okay, and then over here, come and then select yes, I trust this folder, and then hit enter. Okay, that is all that you have to do. And after that, over here, you see that Cloud will launch inside your terminal. So as you can see, Cloud has launched inside our terminal and we can come and then chat with it. So I'll start with hi Cloud just like this and then hit enter. So you see that Cloud has responded. Okay. And now I have the option to tell Cloud exactly what I want. So I'm going to ask it to build me a calculator app. Okay. And then I don't have to do anything. Cloud should do everything and give me the APK. So after writing it, over here, Cloud is going to ask me some activities that needs to be changed. Simply select yes. So anytime it asks you just like this, simply select yes by hitting enter. Okay, that is it. You don't have to do anything. You see that Cloud will successfully build your APK for you, and it is awesome. Okay, so it has also showed us the location, and I'm going to show you where to get it. Okay, so all that you have to do now is to simply come and say thank you for a good work done, because it has done an awesome work. Cloud is awesome. Okay, so as you can see, Cloud has also said that it appreciates it. So come here to the menu, come and click on it, and then from the option, simply come and then click on save all. Okay, so after that, over here you have the option to come and then close your terminal by clicking on the close button, and then over here come and then click on terminate. Okay, so after that, you can come and close your Android Studio by clicking on the exit. Okay, so you see that this is the folder, this is where we save it. Come and then right click and click on opened. Among it, you see that we have app. Okay, simply come and then double click on the app. After double clicking on it, come here to the build, come and double click on it to open. Come here to output, double click on it. Come here to APK, double click on it to open. Come here to the debug, double click on it to open, and there you will find your APK, the one that Claude has just built for us. You can come and then copy it and send it right to your phone to install it. So let's go to the phone, and I have sent it to the internal storage. So I'm going to go to File Manager, tap on it, and then come here to All Files, tap on it, and then come here to the internal storage, tap on it. Okay, there, that is where I'm going to find the APK. So from the down here, have the APK debug. I'm going to tap on it and then install it. Okay, so what I have to do is just tap on the install. And since it's a new app, Play Protect is going to ask me to scan it. There is nothing wrong with it. So tap on more details and then simply come and then tap on install without scanning. And that is it. Our app has been installed. Let's tap on the opened, and the app that Claude built for us is working awesomely, perfectly fine. So this is actually how to use Cloud Code inside Android Studio. Like the video and then see you in my next video.